Today we're going to tackle a common issues many iPhone users face. The dreaded "this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified" message. Don't worry, I'll guide you through some simple fixes, so let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can cause issues when trying to download or verify apps. To check, simply swipe down from the right and make sure your Wi-Fi is connected to your device. If it is not, try switching between cellular data to Wi-Fi. Now, next try resetting your iPhone. A quick reboot can often solve temporary glitches. To restart, press and hold the side button and volume button until the slider appears, then slide to power off. After it's off, turn it back on. Now let's check your date and time settings. Go to settings and then on general and select date and time. Make sure set automatically is turned on. Incorrect date and time can lead to verification issues. Now if the issue persists, try deleting the app and reinstalling it. Tap and hold the app icon until it jiggles and click on minus button and simply click on delete app. After that, go back to the app store, search for the app and reinstall it. Another potential fix is to ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go back to settings and on general, tap on software update. Make sure there is no update available. If there is, simply go and install it. And that's it. This step should help you resolve the app integrity verification issue.